So let me sing for you, like the birds in the mountains do, like a child who cries for you, cries for you. So let me sing for you, about the streets and the avenues. There's nothing I'd rather do.
In Dili, the capital of Timor Leste, they use a unique transport system, the Microlets. A fleet of music-booming, brightly coloured vans that take set circuits around the city. Sometimes you'll have them to yourself, rarely, but sometimes. But most of the time, they'll be pretty full. And the best seats? This one by the door, or of course, in the front. All the Microlets cost the same, 25 US cents. Simply wave the Microlet down as it passes, hop aboard, and when you want to stop, tap your coin on the rail inside the van. And as you exit, pay the driver 25 cents through the passenger window. The colour and the number on the front and back of the Microlet tell you exactly where the Microlet goes. There's also a website you can check out.
So let me sing for you, like the birds in the mountains do, like a child who cries for you, cries for you. So let me sing for you, about the streets and the avenues. There's nothing I'd rather do.
And they're surely the best way to explore the city of Dili, Timor Leste.